Before buying a product, you always ask yourself that million-dollar question, is it worth it? And when it comes to the new Miracle Blade World Class, we have the answer. Absolutely. The new Miracle Blade World Class 2012 Professional Series is the best set of knives you'll ever own and will save you time, effort, and frustration in the kitchen.
I really thought they couldn't get any better, but they got better.
Now I have a reason to cook.
Miracle Blade World Class truly defines cutting performance because this knife set features exclusive ergonomic design to slice, chop, and dice like a pro. Flash forged blades to cut with precision. Unsurpassed quality, made with the highest standards of German stainless steel. These knives will stay razor sharp for a lifetime, guaranteed. Versatility. There is a blade for every cut and every type of food. And last but not least, a stunning display of world-class elegance. The slicer's stippled edge cuts without tearing, and you'll get perfect slices every time, thick or thin. It's perfect for bread, tomatoes, and everything in between. The Rockin' Chef Knife straight edge blade easily prepares all fresh vegetables, even hard ones like winter squash. It has gratins for quick release and tri-zone cutting so you can mince, dice, and julienne to perfection. The boning and fillet knife is so flexible, it can skin and fillet in a heartbeat. With the Chop and Scoop's thin, flexible blade, chopping and garnishing is fast and easy. Ordinary knife sets will cost you hundreds of dollars, and no matter how much you pay, you won't be able to find the unique features and benefits of Miracle Blade world-class knives. But you won't pay $400, not $200. You won't even pay $100. Because of our high-volume purchasing power, you can purchase the entire 12-piece world-class set of knives for only one easy payment of just $39.95. Yes, you heard me right. Over a $300 value for just $39.95. But we're just getting started. To celebrate the 20th anniversary of Miracle Blade Knives, we're going to make this offer irresistible. If you order in the next 20 minutes, we'll send you a complete second set of Miracle Blades for free. That's right, another entire set, a $300 value for free. Just pay shipping and processing. And we're still not done. If you're one of the first 500 callers, we'll send you 2 additional Miracle Blade world-class slicers, perfect for your tackle box, RV, boat, or use as a generous gift. That's an additional $80 value, totally free. Miracle Blade World Class is also guaranteed for life. We'll replace any damaged knife at any time for any reason for free forever.
You never have to buy knives again.
And because we know that seeing is believing, you can try the Miracle Blade World Class for 30 days. And if you're not completely satisfied, just return them and we'll give you your money back. And of course, you can still keep the 2 bonus slicers as gifts. Don't wait. Call right now to take advantage of this amazing offer. 2 complete sets of Miracle Blade knives, over $600 worth of knives, for just one payment of $39.95. What we bring to the table is unsurpassed quality at an unbeatable price. This offer will not last long.